All right. You know what the craziest thing is for me about this story of Julian Washington? Julian Washington spent 10 years in prison. And then overnight, the authorities chased him out, couldn't get him out fast enough. It was so clear that it was a wrongful conviction at that point. But when I spoke to Dr. Dan Crane, he told me that it didn't take him more than about 10 minutes of analyzing the DNA evidence to realize that it was flawed. 10 years in prison, 10 minutes. 10 minutes. That tells me that there is information out there to help people. There are resources out there that can make a phenomenal difference in somebody's life, that can save somebody 20, 50 years of their life. But somebody has to get involved. Somebody has to come off the sidelines. Somebody who has the social capital, who has the interest, who has the professional connections, has to come off the sidelines and make the connection. One thing you can do today is begin to understand the system. What do I mean by that? Many of us think of wrongful convictions or anything bad that happens in the justice system as a police problem. Or some people will say, boy, it's a resource problem, or it's a technology problem. Julian Washington's case wasn't a case of police corruption. The government had an expert, an expensive expert, even if the quality of the expert's work wasn't good. Definitely there was an imbalance. And so this was an access to justice issue. This case, like the case of Lesine Edwards, highlights the problem of people in the Caribbean who don't have access to expert evidence, and how not having independent experts can lead to wrongful convictions. Experts play a major role in the criminal justice system, and if we want to prevent and correct wrongful convictions, we have to think about how to increase the availability of experts to Caribbean citizens.